Hey, what's up everybody? It's Gwen and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a vanity tour. So I previously posted an apartment tour, which I will link on your screen if you haven't checked it out already. So I mentioned in that video that I wanted to do a separate video specifically talking about my vanity setup. So that's what this video is going to be. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and let's get started. All right, so let's get started. So first I'm gonna do is talk about the actual pieces that I have that make up my vanity area, and then I'll go into actually what's in the vanity space. So first thing that I'm gonna talk about is this right here. So this is a drawers on wheels set that I actually got from Home Depot online. So this item comes in a lot of different sizes and colors, and I knew I wanted a neutral. I don't like the rainbow version that this comes in. I know I wanted something neutral, so either the black or the white. So I opted for this one, and this I think is the larger version of this. It comes in, like I said, multiple sizes, and this was the largest one that I could find, and I will link this in the description box when I find a link for it. Yeah, so the second part I'm going to talk about is the actual desk. So this is actually a computer desk, so I repurposed it. It's very, very small and shallow. The way this room is set up, there's not a lot of walk space where I'm sitting right now next to my bed. So I wanted to make sure that I got something that was really close to the wall and wouldn't, be too far out. So I got this from Walmart, and it was only $20. It was really, really inexpensive, and my dad did a really good job of building it. So yes, I really like this. It's just black. I would like black. Black and white is my theme. And yeah, it just has extra shelving on the sides. So I just thought it was a perfect add-on to this vanity setup. Like I said, just a nice cheap desk. And as you can see, the light is coming in from the window across the room. So this isn't really good for doing your makeup. You're supposed to face the light whenever you're doing your makeup. So this actually is more so just to store my makeup. I rarely sit here and do my makeup. So usually what I'm doing is I keep my makeup here, and then I'll bring things wherever I need to do it to do my makeup. So let's get into the actual contents of my vanity setup. All right, so let's get started. So I'm just going to take you through what is on top of my vanity table. So I just have my makeup brushes. I like to have my brushes separated by type. So this first cup over here is my brushes that are clean and unused. So it's good to know which ones are fresh and clean. So these are my eye brushes, and then I have my face brushes that I use very often, and then I have this over here. So this is actually a lamp that I got from Target, and I like to use this because it has the extra cup, and so that's extra storage. And so in this one I keep the brushes that I really don't use that often, like face brushes, but are not clean. So I thought this was good because I'm able to take the brushes that I use more often, and like I said, I don't sit here and do my makeup, so I'm able to just be really mobile with my makeup collection. So I like this. And then as you can see, I have a makeup mirror here. So this is a mirror that I got from HomeGoods, and it's just sitting on this box. It's kind of low, like this desk is low, so I didn't want to be hunched over. I like to be, seated comfortably when I'm looking in the mirror. So I have that, and it's black, so I thought it matched really well. And then over here I have this little box, and it just has some products in here. These are just things that can't really lay down. My foundation, I like to see how much I have left. And this Fenty Gloss Bomb, I don't know, for some reason, I don't know if you can see that, it's like spilling out. Yeah, I don't understand what is wrong with mine. And so yes, this is the top of my vanity. All right, and then moving over to the right of the vanity, I have these extra shelves that I mentioned. So just really quickly, I'll go through these. This is where I keep my hair products. I thought this would be really easy to just, have these here. So I like keeping those there. And behind them, I have my makeup wipes. And then in the bottom, I have this acrylic bin that I got from TJ Maxx. It's actually like a kitchen section item. And I like to use this because it's acrylic, and I have a couple more acrylic containers in my bedroom. So I thought this would match really well. And I just have some body sprays. I don't have a lot. And then I have my Milk of Magnesia primer. And then I have this little holder of just my perfume samples. I'm not really, I don't know, I'm into scents, but honestly, I really forget to put them on before I leave the house. But that's where I keep all of my perfume. All right, you guys, so we are now at my drawers on wheels. So this is the first drawer. So this is my face drawer, basically. So I keep my powder foundations over here. I have my contour palette. My eyelash curler is supposed to be there. I have a powder puff, and then I have this container that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just keep my like stick things. So I have my mascara, eyeliner, eye primer, lash glue, so anything like that. And as you can see, I like to line the drawers with this black drawer liner paper. I really like the contrast of the product against the black, and also I like black and white. Like I already said, that's my theme, so I thought I would add that. And then in the back I have this card. This is from the Jackie Aina Artist Couture Le Peach launch. I actually use this as a fan to fan my face when I'm letting my foundation dry. I thought it was pretty. You know, the material is really thick. Like it's not a flimsy piece of paper, so I just keep her in there. And yeah, so that's the first drawer. All right, so this is the second drawer. This is my lip product drawer. So the containers that I have to organize this are from multiple places. This one was actually from Dollar Tree. I got this randomly, so I picked that up. And then these came in like a big pack from TJ Maxx, so that's where I got those. And so yes, in the one to the right, I keep lipsticks. So I mainly use MAC lipsticks. Those are my favorite lipsticks. And then I keep my liquid lipsticks up front. I don't use as many anymore. I used to have a lot more, so that's all I had there. And then in this one, I keep my lip glosses, and then I also have a little pencil sharpener. So yes, and then I keep some backups in the back. So back here I have backup of my MAC and Aaliyah collection. I'm covered, so I keep those back there. And then I just have extra like a powder puff. I have like some hand lotion in here. So I just have like little backups back there. It was like empty space, so I just filled it up with that extra stuff. So that is the second drawer. All right, so this is the third drawer. These are my lashes. So this is my lash drawer. The lash brand that I've really been liking lately are the Allure lashes. So yes, they have multiple collections, and yeah, I really like those. My second favorite are the Ardell Demi Wispies, or just any type of Demi Wispy. I think these are Salon Perfect, but they make a Demi Wispies, so it really doesn't matter to me. I just like that, you know, really like light natural look. And then I just want to tell you guys about this brand, Elf. Their lashes. So I usually don't like their lashes, but I recently tried this one, the Luxe Lash Kit. These are actually really good, so I highly recommend them. They're only like $4. But yes, so I keep my lash products in there, and then in the back I keep my like brow and lash tools. So I have like an eyebrow razor and like tweezers and like things like that. So that's what I keep in the back of this drawer. All right, and the next drawer is my highlighter drawer. So this is definitely one of my favorite drawers, probably. Yeah, it's my favorite drawer of my collection. And so yes, I keep all my highlighters in here. So as you can see, I only have one drawer. They all fit, you know. I've really pared down the ones that I like. I looked at the ones that looked, you know, similar and figured out which of the two I liked better. So that's, you know, what I did, and this is the result. So I just keep it by brand kind of. So I have Wet n Wild, Becca, Milani, and then I have an Anastasia and a Maybelline. Then I keep my Artist Couture loose highlighters up here, and then I have two highlighting palettes. One's from TJ Maxx, the other one is from Becca. And so the next drawer is eyeshadows. Yes, I keep my smaller eyeshadow palettes in here. So as you can see, I have a lot of tinier palettes, so things like this, very small, and I have them stacked like this. I wanted to make sure I could see all of my palettes, you know, at least part of it, so that there wouldn't be anything hidden. And if it's the case where I don't see all of them, then it's kind of time to pare down, or I need to spread the collection out a little more. So yeah, I like how I have this all set up, and I have it by size kind of. So my longer palettes are in the back, and then my smaller ones are in the front. So I like that setup. So I have a variety of different brands. I have Anastasia, Urban Decay, Lorac, Morphe, multiple different brands. But as you can see, mainly high end. I think just with my skin tone in general, I need good quality stuff to show up on my skin. So as you can see, I don't really use a lot of drugstore. However, I do use this one. This is the only drugstore palette I have. It's a Maybelline City Mini palette. I like this. And I guess you could say Morphe's drugstore. I'm not sure. But yeah, so I like this drawer as well. All right, and this is the next drawer. So I keep my bigger palettes in here. It's funny because the only brands that are in here are Morphe and Juvia's Place. It's really funny. So yes, I have my Masquerade palette and my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Absolutely love these. And then I keep my Morphe ones. So 35O, 35T, 25A, and then 15N are the ones that I have. So yes, these are my big palettes. And like I said, I'm able to see everything. So I keep my Morphe palettes upside down so I can see the sticker with the name and just make it really easy to navigate. So yes, this is my last eyeshadow drawer. Okay, so the next drawer beneath that one is my nail drawer. So this is where I keep all of my nail polish and my nail tools. So I have 2 more of these containers that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just put them side by side. So I keep my nail tools in here, and then I keep my nail polishes around it, and they're by color. It's funny because I've really been loving white nails lately, so I really only use my white and like my neutrals, but these are the ones I have. Sometimes I'm into color. So yes, these are the ones that I like. And my favorite brand, in case you are wondering, is the Sally Hansen Complete Salon Manicure brand. I really, really like this brand. So this is my favorite. And yeah, so this is my nail care drawer. All right, so now we're moving into my hair product drawer. So this one is where I keep a lot of my hair tools. So I have a bunch of different containers. So this one is some more of those gray containers that I said I got from TJ Maxx. And then these 3 boxes here are actually iPhone boxes. So iPhone boxes, I don't know. It was kind of like in my old room when I used to like just do a bunch of stuff. I decided to use these as storage. I think in the KonMari book, she said that Apple product boxes are really like nice and sleek looking for organization, and I highly agree. So I like how it's the white, and then I just covered them with some paper. I don't know, I was being really crafty that day. But yeah, so I just keep a bunch of different types of hair things. So I have bobby pins in here. I have some hair clips, hair ties, my bigger bobby pins. I keep some of these like big like elastic headbands that I use for like top puffs. Keep those in there. And then I have a little bag of some of those little rubber bands. And then this one I keep my soft like cotton headbands. Then in the back I have my hair tools, I guess. So I have like brushes and combs. I have my hair shears in here. I have a bunch of clips. So yes, these are all just thrown in the back here. This next drawer is where I keep a lot of scarves and also my flexi rods. So I have some flexi rods in here. These are the red ones. And then I keep all of my scarves. Well, not all of them. This is some of them. So these are the ones that I use at night. So like these and things like that. But I also have some decorative / like, you know, dressy ones. So yeah, so I have some of these, and like I have like a little hair pin thing. And then I have my scarves that I use for turbans, and I just folded those in there. So that's what that drawer is. And then the last drawer is just a continuation of the previous drawer. So in the back I have bigger flexi rods. So these are the gray and orange ones. I don't use these. Like I haven't used these in I think like 2 years. And so I think it's kind of safe to say that I'm never going to use them ever again. I don't really like flexi rod sets on me. I think they look a little childish, so who knows if I'll even use these. So I'm thinking of at least moving them somewhere so that I can free up the space, because I have a lot more scarves I actually got from my Nana recently. So I want to, you know, spread those out. So yeah, that's just what I have in here, just a lot more scarves. All right, you guys, so that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed seeing my vanity tour as well as my makeup collection. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and also be sure to hit your notification button and turn it to always, because now there's a thing where it's either sometimes or always, so turn it on to always. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.